Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V60 Lite, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So all we have to do is to tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. And the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 10 seconds delay, so let me tap on it. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted. However, unfortunately, after getting back to the camera, we do not have any kind of icon, any kind of information that we've got the timer set. So you might be surprised if you forget that you've set the timer before. But now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright, and obviously if you wish to change the countdown, just enter the settings and tap on other option. You can turn it off the same way just by tapping on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.